Want to know why cats are the ultimate pets? Buckle up for a perfectly fascinating journey. Cats have been charming humans for thousands of years. Did you know the ancient Egyptians worshipped cats as gods? Yep, our furry friends were basically treated like pharaohs. Fast forward to today and not much has changed. They still expect us to serve them hand and paw. But how did they go from wild hunters to cozy lap warmers? It all started when they figured out humans equal sign food. Clever, right? They settled near ancient farming communities, hunting pests and winning hearts. It was a win-win friendship. And here's a fun fact. Cats were even used to protect ancient manuscripts from rats. Talk about literary guardians. So, why are cats the best pets? They're independent, low maintenance, and give the best snuggles when you need them most. Plus, they'll never judge you for binge-watching cat